How to turn on read receipts on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on read receipts on your iPhone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your iPhone. And once you have opened it, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on apps. Now here in this section, simply scroll down until you see the option labeled as messages. And once you have located it, simply tap on it. Now here, simply scroll down again until you see the option labeled as send read receipts. And once you have found that, simply toggle this on. And once it's turned on, anyone you text using iMessage will see a read timestamp under the messages as long as you have opened it, and that's it. That's how you can turn on read receipts on your iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.